Hi, welcome to Cooking with Tom. My Simply Cook recipes have arrived, so I'm going to be preparing a meal today. I'm going to be doing a lamb keema matter. I'll show you the box. So this is the Simply Cook recipe box. It cost £1 for this. You get 4 different recipes. You get recipe cards as well. Lamb keema matter, that's what we're cooking today. Keema matter. So you got three pots of herbs and spices and whatnot and paste. So yeah, I'm going to do that. Kushte. I've already chopped my onions up. I'm not using lamb. I'm going to use Quorn because Michelle's vegetarian, ergo I'm vegetarian-ish. Okay. So yeah, I've fried off the onions. I'm about to add the Quorn and the garlic paste. What I've done is microwave the Quorn on defrost, because if you put it in the pan, it spits like shit everywhere, and then Michelle has to come in and clean the oven up afterwards, and she don't like that. So top tip, microwave it, no spit, no shit. 10-4. So yeah, I've cooked the Quorn off, the onions, garlic paste is in there. I'm just about to add the keema curry paste into the mix. So yeah, it comes in these handy little pots, which is kushti. Just spoon it in, stir it around, cook it off. Bob's your uncle. So that's all cooked off. Now I've got to add in the chopped tomatoes, which I will now do. Oh, let's get in the action. Chopped tomatoes and the TSP of sugar and the garam masala. That's the garam masala. Comes in another little handy pot. Thing is, it saves you buying all loads of different spices and herbs, and then keeping them in your cupboard for ages and not using them again. This is a good way, I think. As I say, it's handy, convenient, it's all weighed and measured out for you. It's kushte. Got to have the sugar and some peas now. So it says to put in 150 grams of peas. I have got a scales, but I'm not going to weigh them. That's how I roll. Hashtag awesome. I think that'll about do. Then just give it a stir. So yeah, that's it. That is it, basically. Cook it out for 4 to 5 minutes, and that's it. I'm going to let it rest for a bit. I'm going to go and watch the OA on Netflix, which I highly recommend. Yeah, and then just cook up some rice. And serve it. Obviously, when you cook up rice, make sure you cook up enough for about 8 people, even if you're only serving it for 2. It's an accident waiting to happen. Alright, cheers. So yeah, it's all cooked and ready to go. Just about to serve it up. Made some rice. Hopefully I've not made too much, so that's good. Also made some mint yogurt. It's going to be kushte. Hashtag awesome. Yeah, I've really enjoyed my tea. It was quick to cook, super tasty. I highly recommend it. If the offer's still on, get a box for £1. You get 4 dinners. Definitely recommend it. I probably might get another box as well, so in a couple of weeks or something, because it gets you cooking and it's all set up for you. Hashtag awesome.